Spain there no Ayasa nesa so what I say you were born to entertain and fans from the baba we ba catch us Richard sa agrobo na mo say na DNA yam money and dey na no hanya wi aman this Serbian coaches ni ade be find dey akobo you can say one top ni ade ni you defend ya nya one go bi ni akogo akire ni ade a e dey ko baby ba agrobo na mo say na DNA no ya ba nko fa bibia mfa man.
So we need to find a balance.
We
need to find a balance. You see, I have belonged to South two school of thought in Ebida. Me, you know, I thought the typical Ghanaian footballer is a midfielder. Opeboni kuta. Street football in Ayabobida. Your ponko school. Even school crowd, they are pon say be coffee. You do feni when you fee gata nimna nearbo. Saturdays are not you are off to the nearest pitch. Mubabo Akopus and Mabanum, Mbo in Chendi. Those who know me were Bantama enemy, ya bo in Chendi or Rich Park, ya bo Labi Park, ya bo Akosa Park, ya bobosa. When I moved to Aduato, ya bo Salvation Park or ya bo Prempe Park, and so we've played football on the streets. We've watched football on the street too. My community guys, I'll come and watch because I want to follow the game as a typical disciple of it. Enti no crack. So I ko Ghana ni boa and I ko how naturally e boa. Ubenya a very good goalkeeper. Ubenya obi a on down wa. But the stamina to obekwa aba na de nyina too. Ubenya obi o left. Tin pa. Who den it's okay say oh you left but one den dia na oh bebo 3 ya perform and five or height kakra and I say otimi pimpim na ne den or ya aggressive born ba obetimi akuta bo no besim ne man fans say okay oh bebo e kire aman ne de wagigina ho then naturally your area no players na onu no emfimfi ho no onimbo ni kuta onimbo ni passe ni ase okay na wo bebo yesi saman no aboye ho ban oni edi wo betake wo energy nti emba mo me kai those days ukwado ato your guy be friend emba obebo 6 amount na ni edin onim passe onim take onim bibia biye na edina gina 6 then we play na efifi wono rich onimbo ni ball but ono ni de no oye willing to do whatever a human won't feel one. So can obo 8 am to a controller. Born Bappen or a person home and Eddie Ama 8. No we judge na so am. Not the most dribbler no way to me na 10. We a dribbler. To na we create chances na my need we gina ho. Ni a pistes back on the right, back on the left. We am here wingers and tia say football mo no. Na when nim go ni share deja number 9. Now in that fundamental understanding of how I hear naturally, your instinct to say football say near bono. Say that to your ability as Ghanaian will be opebobia, sign a shit, no. Rich, Sadia na. We went through CK Jeffy, we went through the multi-system people, we went through Coach Afrani, Herbert Ado, money, great coaches. They exploited Sadia in us for us to understand, say na naturally, yeah. Yanko walk up that. You couldn't qualify for the World Cup, not even once. Under those great coaches who understood Ghana football through and through. Then came the Serbians. And I'm say, okay, unim, more talented. You seem to understand how to play football. But at the highest level, you need organization. Bona mo bono. Much chamu wegina park so in terms of more talent and more abilities. But they don't go top wapano. How you organize Sadia now with the Agina Park organization. They need tactical structure. You need to have a structure with it. And see, Sabonu Kutawa, Ediana, Sena Basso Odeko. Sabonu Kutawa, Sena, O crown, not a Bemana didn't see a beshow. Interatome Dukovic, Milovan Rajevac, Nancy I, Karos Kures. Have come to show us say to play at the highest level, we need structure to guide the talent. And to reach, you're fortunate. We've had 2 generations of our football. We have players, they've excelled within those systems. No? Let's sit down and merge it.
And come on.
You merge it. You merge it in a certain way that will identify us. And to say, Ghana ni, yenyantina se kwancho buku na say yenya proper documentation. You know, the ambassador can say the fair idea on the streets, and they say, then we can have a system where without the ball, you're conscious about defending compacts. Nemum si saka ball na. We have the ability to hold on to it to pass our way into offensive transitions. That should be the fundamental of our development.
And come on, you better also. Na yadia Jude.
Yes.
They say anya day. Some pa grobon, anya we.
Yes, ma
Rachel Made.
Senior Akambi me fa perspective we em fan kan.
Okay.
Rich me twu adwene si ade bi so. Hwe time na Ghana ye call ye maiden World Cup and ye second World Cup as well. There were certain players no mudi mu akotini ye pa. Sule Ali Muntari, Michael Essien, Derek Boateng Jr. So Kaisa Derek, John Pencil, Adukwe Papu. Say no mudi mu akotini ye pa. Me can sa names no e him fa ne doko. Liberty Professionals and a Liberty Academy. Meboa. Say e ho na doko ko wi asamuaja no e ho na doko wi. Bro, yenti ade bi ase. Spain ade a omo ye nyina no. Ade ba ko aboa yi de e no investment. Because anytime I beka basa no the academy system na wo kan. Yes, Lamasia. The Entiama de la Fuente one bebre. Our no sunim says onya basa players no mu dominate you. Omreno has got to do with the fact say because of the academy system no more invested so much into it. Almost to omo say that chemistry, that telepathy. Ni nyina wo ho. Enti we born ania onim say we wo hasa energy no e wo ho. Enti say wo kire omo ade the old baby and ma na nya dey ma. Tina ma boss our players including Dada Kuja Samoa. Rich share Edrumred Rahu as gold. Titi as gold. So no more bobola. Minim say Ayala they fortunately no show matches. No, right? Cast on bed draw our almost meet do bobo be more new subru. Rich with him the omo because of sa academy concept. No, no ba first 15-20 minutes omo ball on pass omo ball. Or meet me about the passing game, short passes, on the pass the ball around. Rich, almost now tell now press one. Almost me BM, boss, almost BM corings, no more ball on balls, and to be a no onim as go then piano. Oh no more ball, cast on best or 10 on best. The almost best on Modiano and no Modio. Because of some investments now come as our academy born. And to know what society and assist so much to the extent that because academy no dear woman no because unim Spain team na Renaissance. Also apart from some short passing game or decided so ball on balls and so on who the all ye biano onimu yatren onim
a system
at all. Okay, first 20-30 minutes yeah but short passes pa sani ebe bono. Okay, time omo be press here more I release omo higher no ya be say use long balls. Yet the baby or money so on bay and so. Into at any point in the game, woman in the awesome way. Into a man in your day in farm mom and almost almost say. Till I make us a time now, not Ghana. Yes, yeah, the AFCON come over to minimum at the higher stage, World Cup now, yeah, can also yet me echo. The nucleus of the team, no more for Liberty Professionals. Memoir,
no
more to almost our chemistry was there. And no born and cast almost bones one. Sa academy system no. Broad your woman yet almost training you different from the normal training now say kotokone house room air you only the ento omo yomo san target na say the omo call European market no and omo diets omo you very particular about it apart from their diet players training na yede mo omo no time na wafa wo ho Feyenoord ebe wafa no unma de ba kwa na wo omo players no ye training omo enim say the omo eko Ajax ana Feyenoord training na yede mo no so ko suga kofe a
training na omo Ajax no enya no no na de mo
go the same system.
That's the point. Enti no stadium sa na omo players no etu kwan ya na omo mre easily omo timi bo but your players ni bia bebre ni tu kwan na omo ho kire omo cause e bi ono training na wo fam wo ha no okukudu ho na ni su bebre no enti yenti sa de ne nso ase say yes the Ayala can no crepa but bro about time yen so sa academy system no or say you invest more
at least the national academy be
perfect football no adane bro no cry wo no football adane France then na France ababe so dominant we invest but what you say from the scratch Morocco de intia academy system we invest into it and young committee enye bibia na ya o se de ko she FF mbacho time na Liberty we invest won the academy mu na FA o kan se do ba bi kra manfo blame kwesi nya ntachi se adentina Liberty players adults so and Black Stars ni blame no enso na enye the fault entia about time as a nation you bet you decide say you invest say look say ni anso ya pese ekono enti say as gold company team then no to me decide say me invest Liberty yera slide tete nyame mfa ne currency e decide say o invest ama na boa o man no man ya shama Liberty egu because unim some talent na ya kan o mo bobola o mo jira pitch so who difference so your academy player no o bobola there what in bola say na who the ball no Michael Essien je ball na o boa
me can those days ni say one for players in the back kotokwa Obobo na to say this is academy player.
Yes. Me pacho she Kudus. She Kudus. She be say Majid Asmeru. She sa talent. Bisa so omu na omu ntitie free. Because say ni e kan right to dream academy so. Won so omu so ba na omu ba. She even Calabria nchimu. Enti asem na ye kan no. Yemi adwene nkoso as a nation say there ought to be a concerted effort. Na nkase state ni be invest sika.
At least I call ka baba. Sa sika no. Infrastructure be so yes start be because we players you can say nyoma he no
I mean brilliant analysis but that all sports asem na ka wie no o wie akoko wie but what they make chance o wie we need to invest grassroots yenti ase yen committee fans na niam bi o hono mo bia anka be say yesika
be pa de papa yen pese be invest
won say a problem no
yen pa de pa mo ko ka pa mo nya de you don't invest
if you reach a free ochine kono
be mba
we are going to discuss the lessons ayenya from this World Cup, how we can also build your football near this. So we will have fantastic discussion on these issues. Now, for the purpose of a momutie and no more, which I almost see a sports there, but the big